Good morning, Grant. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Did you sleep good? My baby boy and your smiles. Hi, smiles. Hi. You slept so well, didn't you? Ah, you slept so well in your miracle blanket. Yes, you love that little miracle blanket, huh? Huh? You never quite know what to do when the camera's on. You can talk, it's okay. What do you think, huh? You still a happy boy, huh? Are you still a happy boy? What do you, there it is. There it is. Hi. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Okay. You want to wake up? Huh? You want to get out of that thing? How does that sound? Does that sound good? Oh, okay. Love you.